Hey guys, welcome to LifeBuilds. My name is Michael.
And I'm Zoya.
And today we are hopefully buying our next project car.
At the Lighthouse Resort in Washington.
And I jumped on Facebook Marketplace because I'm going to be heading through Portland, Oregon, and I decided, you know what would end the vacation more perfectly than buying a car? She wasn't too thrilled. She's like, can we just go on vacation without buying a car? But here we are. So we're looking at a 2006 BMW 750 Li. So it should be a very great trip car. It has a transmission issue, so hopefully we can get that fixed and drive it home.
So we're gonna go to the beach for one last time to get this little baby running.
Aw, so cute, bud. All right, let's go to the beach. All right, we're driving the Jaguar onto the beach. Goal is to not get stuck, but I guess we have another vehicle if we do. Here we go. Just finished up an incredible weekend here on the Oregon coast. Had a great time. It was a nice relaxing trip. I did post a vlog, so that'll be linked here once it comes out. However, we are now coming to the end of it, so that means it's time to go get a project car. I actually did a rebuild on this. I never posted a video on it, but I got that Jaguar for only $500. Needed a fuel pump, got it running, and now it's my dad's commuter car. So let's get started and go get this BMW 750 Li. Alrighty, we are about 2 minutes away from the BMW, and I don't know how much I'll be able to film because I want to respect the guy's privacy, but I'm hoping I can take it on a test drive without him, and I can talk to you guys a little bit and explain what's going on with the car, what my thoughts are, and I guess we'll see. But in about 2 minutes I'll be there, and then I'll film whatever I can, but I'll definitely let you know what happens after. Alrighty, we have arrived at the BMW. Let's jump in. Alright, we made it into the 750 Li. Got the transmission malfunction. And I'm sitting here trying to figure out how to get it into gear, but it's got a little sensor like a truck. So put it into drive there. Okay, so it's not wanting to stay in drive, but there you go, we got it in. All right, let's take this on this test drive. All right, it's definitely in limp mode. Dealt with that before. Whoop, brakes are really good. I believe it's stuck in third, maybe fourth gear. I think we'll go straight. Oh, are we smoking? That dust. Okay, so here is the BMW. It is a 2006 BMW 750 Li. We are going through some tests right now. I'm doing a full report scan on the vehicle. The hood latch is broken or disconnected, so I can't open the hood. I have a fix for that. I'm hoping I can get it open. But so far things are working, like the AC. It's been sitting for a while, and I'm using my top-in scanner, and I'm doing a full health report on every single system on the vehicle. So I will let you guys know in a second, but I have a hunch, and my hunch is that I think the battery died. When these cars get below 9 volts, the transmission freaks out and it locks itself into a gear. I was able to get the vehicle to 60 miles an hour, which that's pretty good. It does have a big 4.8 liter V8, but I just have this feeling that if I can clear the codes, slap a new battery in it here, we might be chilling. But again, I'm about 350 miles away from home, so I really don't want to screw myself over. But what do you think, babe? It's a little dirty.
I mean, it definitely smells like it's been a smoker's car. Probably be a hassle to get out, but like details are kind of like okay. Like look like over there.
Yeah, like it's dirty. Smells a little bit.
But I mean, It's definitely a luxury car.
Yeah, I mean, I believe it's got cooled seats, full infotainment. I mean, it's got every feature you can imagine. And look at this back seat. Oh, that was it. But look at this back seat. Okay, I am 6'3", and I mean, I would chill. I would be fine back here. I mean, look at this. 6'3". I was driving the car, and I'm spreading out. I'm fine.
I mean, this light's been on always since we started. Maybe that's the issue.
Maybe that's the issue. Maybe he just needs to turn this off.
No,
Oh, what? Hey, maybe I can do
it's the
a little
other
vlog. Wild. All right, I'll let you guys know what I find. Okay, so I've done a full health report on the vehicle, and we have quite a few lights on, as expected. But that's also usually a good thing, because that means something like a battery failed and made everything freak out on the car. So we're gonna read some of these fault codes and just kind of get, so CAS, supply terminal, output terminal. Okay, that could be battery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clear everything on this vehicle and then see what comes back and what's working. So as you can see, transmission control module is now working perfectly fine after clearing all these fault codes. So I'll then take it for another drive, and the battery's very low on this car, so it might freak out again, and then we'll have to go from there. All right, guys, to update you, I cleared all the codes and the car shifted through all the gears. In fact, it broke loose the tires, which means we're no longer stuck in gear. The great news is I'm pretty positive it was a battery failure. I'm gonna have to put a new battery in it. I got a flat tire fault, but nothing else has come on, and I'm now doing 75, 80 down the highway, whereas before, full throttle, I could barely hit 60 miles an hour. That tells me the transmission is not bad, but at the same time, it's gonna need some work. It's smoking blue, which is probably valve stem seals, or it could be my Vanos system. It could be, there's a couple things it can be that'll smoke blue. But the point is, guys, I think I'm just about to buy my next BMW project, because it's driving perfectly fine down the highway and it's got a ton of power. So it's a love project. It's gonna need some love, but let's go back, see if I can negotiate with this guy, come up with a reasonable offer, and see what happens. So I have made it about 15 minutes of driving. The car's running phenomenally. I did buy it. I got it for 2,200 bucks. And after clearing the codes, nothing has come on except that the tires are a little low. But this car is running phenomenally. Yes, it's got some lights on. I got to go air it up. But this car is decked out with features, including, look at this. It's got a screen for like streaming DVDs. So I just stopped here at Fred Meyer's. I'm gonna run in, I'm gonna buy a bunch of cleaning supplies because the car is pretty dirty, and I got about a 4-hour drive ahead of me. So guys, this is crazy. I've always wanted to clear the codes and see if I can just drive it home. But I never had a scanner, but I bought that new scanner 3 days ago, and I was like, it might work, and it did. So I'm stoked. I think I'm gonna go put a new battery in it, but I'm gonna go buy some cleaning supplies, clean it up, and then we're gonna try to drive this car that I just bought 4 hours home. So let's see what happens. Alrighty guys, we have a little bit of an update here. We have now accomplished 105 miles. And I'm letting my dad drive it. What do you think of it?
Oh, it is smooth. It is a beautiful car. Oh my goodness. Fun to drive.
He's really enjoying it. I find myself swerving a lot because there's so many buttons. For instance, I have heated and cooled seats. He has a massaging seat. We have a DVD player. This whole system pops up. Oh man. So we're just cooking away on the miles, and I guess I'll just let you know if something happens. Okay, we've been driving for a couple hours. Zoya is now driving, and I'm sitting back here. I am 6'3". The seat's almost all the way back, and I still have plenty of room. I'm working on my accounting homework, so stay in school, kids. I have my back screen, my front screen, and guys, honestly, this 7 Series is amazing. So I just wanted to come on here and update you guys. Well guys, we made it back safely. It's the next morning now. I got back probably about 11 p.m. last night. It was too dark and I was too tired to film. So here I am. The car's back. It ran great. That is 300 miles after just simply clearing the engine code or the transmission code. I do believe I'm gonna need to add some transmission fluid to this car. It's filthy, and that's what brings me to the next point. I am going to wash this car right now and try to get all this grime off. So let's get started. Okay, I finished washing the car and all I can say is, wow, it cleaned up so nice. Look at that shine. Wow. I do need to get some better stuff for the wheels. There's still a lot of deposits left, but overall, this car cleaned up so well. I will be creating a detailing video in the next couple weeks on this car, so that's something to look forward to, but wow. Okay guys, so I'm in the middle of editing this current video that you're watching right now, and I realized something. I'm already at 11 minutes into this video, and I have so much more content already filmed that I was gonna throw into this vlog. I have me flushing the transmission, I have me fixing or maybe fixing that hood latch. I got a bunch more that was supposed to be in this video, but who wants to watch a 20-30 minute video? So I decided I'm gonna make this into actually 2 videos of this original purchase and fixing on the car. And, you know, for some of your concerns, I want to address something. The car did drive perfectly fine all the way home from Vancouver, Washington. However, it was slipping a little bit going up and down hills or going through town, you know, when it was about 1,000 to 2,000 RPMs. I would notice it fluctuate a couple hundred RPMs. So in this next video, in part 2, we dive into what was causing that and see if I can actually fix it. I just want to thank you guys for all the support you've showed this channel over the last few weeks. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers. We blew right past that. We're somewhere at like 1,500 subscribers right now. That's insane. That first GSXR video got like 50, 60, 70,000 views now. I don't even know. It's going crazy. You guys' comments have been incredible, very kind, and I just want to say thank you. So if you want to see more content like this, make sure to just smash that subscribe button, throw a like, let me know what you think of the video, throw a comment, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. Thank you.